Hey guys, it's Annie, Creative.Cliche. Today I figured I'd try out these new eyeshadows by Colourpop. Well, it's not like a new formula. These are their Super Shock eyeshadows, but this is the Double Rainbow collection. So this is what it looks like. You guys might be able to see them better once I take them out of the package here. Oh, you know what? I'll just do this. But Colourpop was nice enough to send me a collection of a ton of their products. I think that I'm on the PR list now. I think. But yeah, they reached out and they sent me a ton of their stuff, including this rainbow collection, which these are such beautiful shades. I really want to use like, ooh, there are a few in here that are really catching my eye. I think I want to do, okay, so I think I'm gonna do these three shades. So we have Milky Way, which is this really pretty purple. It's like a magenta-y color purple. Then we have IRL, which is, I'm assuming, in real life. But this is like a iridescent olivey green. I think that's how I would describe it, but yeah. This guy, really pretty. And then we'll use Rem. So this is like a purpley blue. And then I think I'm gonna use this one to highlight, which is Falling Up, which is like a really pretty champagne color. Okay, so I have no idea what kind of look I'm gonna do with these. I just saw these colors and knew I wanted to try them like right away. So I guess I'll start by highlighting, because I like highlighting first. So I'm gonna go in with that shade Falling Up, and I'm gonna go right into my brow bone here just to start. I've been starting to highlight first recently, and I don't know, it just like really helps to get me inspired. I don't know what it is exactly. It's kind of just like, I don't know, when you highlight you just feel so much more like, I don't know, it makes me more confident. So when I start with that, it just like makes me see like the possibilities, you know? And I've used these Super Shock shadows before, but not the Rainbow collection. I'm not sure if these are, I think this is a whole new like collection of the Super Shock shadows. Like, I don't think that they had these shades before and just like put them together in a pack. I think they're just new. But I really like this formula. It's like a cream to powder formula. It's really weird. Like, they're kind of bouncy. Like when you touch it, it almost feels like a gel, but like not completely. What am I trying to say? It's like, let's see, what's the description for these? Okay, Colourpop's famous long-wearing cream powder formula with a unique, why did I say it that way? With a unique bouncy-like texture. Yeah, so I kind of described it that way. Yeah, it is, it's weird. It is like a bouncy like texture. Oh my god, this is going well. But I love that, it's such a beautiful shade. I'm also gonna use this right here as my highlight. That's beautiful. And this is just such a pretty shade. It's just such a very like natural, like sweaty glow, you know? I feel like my mirror blocks this side of my face more. So like in my head, I like just keep piling on makeup on this side to like make it stand out. But I feel like it's just because like my mirror is blocking my ring light here. So I probably look crazy in real life. It's probably so like overdone on this side, but it looks normal on camera, so it's fine. A bit on my chin. But do you see what I mean? This just gives you such like a good base, like doing the highlight first. I don't know. What do you guys do? Do you do highlight last? You know what, guys? I'm changing my mind a little bit. I think I'm gonna do the shade ZZZ instead of this guy. So this is the one that I want to do instead. This is like a really pretty, like coppery, yeah, like coppery bronze. Coppery bronze, okay. Okay, so just to clarify, we're going in with these three shades. I wonder if I should do like my whole lid as the coppery color and then use the other two colors as kind of just like a bright, like, I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just putting this one all over my lid right now. I just love the texture of these. I just can't even explain it. It just like feels pigmented. Like it feels like cake, it feels cakey. But it doesn't look cakey. Like, I feel like cakey has like a bad reputation. Doing the other eye real quick. This is such a pretty, like, iridescent coppery color. It's hard to tell on camera, but yeah, it like almost shifts into a pink color too. It has kind of like a rose goldy kind of look, depending on the way that you even look at it in the pan. I wonder if you can catch that on camera. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna use the color Milky Way on the outer eyelid and then underneath the outer part. I need to get better at explaining these. Like, you think I would know by now, but like, I guess I don't really do like too many like actual like makeup videos, I feel like, so give me a pass on that one. Okay, I'm gonna try a brush for this guy. Oh wow, that works just as well. I guess I was just like prejudging them before and thought they would be more pigmented by finger. By finger. Oh my god, it's getting worse. This is such a pretty shade. So just like the copper, and honestly, I think all of their Super Shock shadows have like a glitter to it, like an iridescence, like color shift. I'm gonna use that word again. I don't even know if I'm really using the terms correctly either, because I feel like I use the word iridescent a lot, and I don't even know if I know what that color means, you know? Know what that color, what am I talking about? Know what that word means. It's like 5 o'clock at night, guys, so I've done like a ton of looks today. And I really wanted to squeeze a video in, so I'm just like slightly delirious right now. No big deal. I think this is looking pretty good. I'm just gonna do the other eye real quick. Alright, so I think I'm gonna do that shade IRL in like this part. What is that called? The inner corner? Alright, so I'm gonna take that on my wedding finger. Put that in there. It is really nice and gives you that perfect like outer space glow, you know? I wish I had like some clean brushes in here, or else I would just like pop it on there. This one looks clean. Okay, so that looked exactly the same. Yeah, I mean, this is just like a nice like kiss of color. I'm just gonna pop on some eyeliner real quick and some lashes, and I'll be back. I have so much dry shampoo in my hair right now. Like, I don't know if you guys can see a white cast on camera, but I like tried really hard to like get it looking good. I'm on like my 5th day of like unwashing it, which sounds pretty gross, but if you have colored hair, you get it. But yeah, so hopefully like the illusion is working. But yeah, so this is the finished look. It's funny because I feel like I wasn't feeling this eyeshadow look until I popped on lashes, which is like so typical. I feel like everyone says that. It's like, I don't know, it just like really ties everything together. I don't know, now I'm like, oh, I want to wear this like every day. But let me know if you guys have tried these eyeshadows before and how you would describe them. Like I said, I have other Super Shock shadows from them, and I feel like they were more pigmented. I don't know if the Rainbow Collection is like more of like a sheer coverage. Not sheer, but like more of like a buildable formula. Like, I'm having a hard time being able to explain it because I'm not, like, obviously they have a lot of pigment, but I feel like my other ones were more pigmented. Like I said, I don't know if the Rainbow Collection is different or not, but if you know, let me know and I'll let you know. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in another tutorial. Like I said, I'm going to do another one using these with a primer, and I think I'm going to try like another video doing like a cut crease because I've never done one before and I feel like I should. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't or if you want to. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can also follow me over on Instagram. I'm a little bigger over there. You can follow me up here. And I think that's enough of my spiel. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.